Welcome back to the channel, mamas. Today, we're breaking down the ultimate step-by-step guide on exactly how to pump breast milk efficiently. If you are a new exclusive pumper or just starting to build your freezer stash, this video is exactly what you need right now. Let us dive into the perfect daily pumping routine together. Step 1 is all about preparation. Always start by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water. Hygiene is incredibly crucial. Next, grab your pump parts, ensure they are completely clean, and assemble everything correctly. Find a comfortable, quiet spot, sit back, and try to relax. Stress can severely block your letdown reflex, so take a very deep breath. Step 2 is the massage. Before you even turn the machine on, spend 2 minutes gently massaging your breasts. This manual stimulation safely signals your body that it is time to release the milk. Step 3 is applying the flanges. Center your nipples perfectly inside the plastic tunnels. They must move freely without rubbing against the sides. If they rub, you definitely need a different size. Step 4 is starting the pump. Always begin in the stimulation mode. This specific setting uses fast and light suction, mimicking how a hungry baby suckles initially to trigger the milk